Affiliate marketing for beginners, the power of 3x. You're probably wondering what the power of 3 is. What does this have to do with affiliate marketing? In this video I will cover affiliate marketing for beginners, the power of 3, and how you can really skyrocket your income with this powerful formula. You can get up to 50 to 60% conversion on your clicks. Sounds impossible, right? How would you like a call from a vendor that you are promoting, asking you how this works? Here is how it works. If someone goes to Google and types in buying keywords, then we create videos around that. Most of the videos online are based on product reviews and do very well, and here is the reason they are doing very. Here is an example. When you want to see a movie, what do? You probably first check Google or YouTube for trailers and then reviews if the movie has been already released, right? If you answered yes, it's because you are looking for social proof or trust videos. So let me ask you, if you have a product that you are promoting and you have a review for that product with all the benefits listed, pros and cons, and it could solve a problem for your customer, don't you think you have a much higher chance on converting them? If you answered yes, awesome, you're getting it. The brain likes the number 3. If you can go to Google and find a product, watch a trust video, golden nugget here, add more value, offer bonuses or something for free with your product, then link your product. Guess what? That is 3 steps. That's the formula. Crazy, right? And it works. This is how you get conversions and outsell your vendors. Here is something else that's very cool. Sometimes your link will get clicked and someone may click off the link, but you still may get the sale. How? Sometimes vendors have a 24-hour cookie and they can try to retarget you on Facebook ad using a pixel, and you may get the sale. I have teamed up with my mentor Paul Murphy, who has been affiliate marketing for over 17 years and ranks all his videos on top of Google and YouTube. It sounds crazy, but it's true. He will show you how to do this yourself and teach you how to focus on one proven solid method, the power of 3, that could get you results if you follow the system. This will teach you how to get free traffic for life. Yes, free. The future is not websites, it's funnels. You will learn the power of using funnels and how to drive organic traffic to your funnel. You will get some goodies as well. If you take the One Funnel Away challenge, you will get this fantastic course for only $1. Yes, this is worth $997. You will get full access for life and join the Facebook group for free, valued at $47 monthly, free. Disclaimer: I'm an affiliate for this product and use it myself. If you click on the link in the description and decide to purchase, I will make a small commission and it will help me grow this channel. Thanks so much. I hope you got some value from this video. Please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoy this content. See you in the Facebook group.